Alright, so what if instead of the rounded arch, we want an arch with a flat top? Well, that's pretty easy. Let me show you to do that as well. Alright, so let me delete this one and let's turn off this cube. In fact, we could Shift D to use the same one, and let's hide this one. Let's work on this. So this one is the flat top. Alright, and let's turn off the bevel for now. Turn off the subdivision surface. Tab into edit mode, and we want to go to face select. So press 3 on the top of your keyboard or click on this button. And we want to select this face here and hold control and select this face here. What you just did there was you picked the shortest path. All right, so click that. That's a shortcut. Control, click on that. All right, and now press 1 for front view, and we're going to press E to extrude upwards and just drop it there. If it did something funky while you were doing that, maybe something here has changed. Maybe if you had active element selected and you press E, it did something weird like that. All right, so just make sure it's set to bounded box. And now after we did that, we have to flatten the top. So let's press SZ0, and you've just flattened the top. Tab out of edit mode to see. Turn on subdivision surface. Really nice. Again, if we want to shorten the height of the top, tab into edit mode, press 1 for vertex, Alt Z, and just select these here and press GZ and just bring it down a little bit, right? If you want it like that. And that is how you get a flat top. So a rounded arch with a flat top. I'll see you in the next one.